Cool.
He were on his way.
You will turn around. You will leave my shop. Because I never want to hear my brother's name mentioned again.
Is that our uncle? Our real uncle? We already got fake uncle.
Did you just burp?
Is
Yeah.
my younger brother.
You're excused.
I'll be cute.
Residents don't